Hello and welcome to Mmore Goatz Simulator 2. I'm just going to call it Goat Simulator 2 because that's a lot less complex. So this time I'm going to play zombie after outbreak. I'm going to do it with a few abilities though. Just saying because I am bad. I'm casual goat and I'm going to also be burger goat because burgers. Yeah. So eat the brains dead zombies drop. Oh, there's also food in the crate. Now I have to apologise. I did play this a while before doing this video, so I do know basic. But I'm bad. I run out of hunger almost instantly, but I'm not going to this time. I don't know if you want to see this. It's kind of boring. It's just this guy standing there and exploding. Dad. So I like start in this cage and then you just like screw you and then you jump. And then how's that skill shot? Oh hello, take burgers to oh what happens? I did not mean to turn you into a zombie. Take burgers! Oh god, what the fuck? Help me! What the hell? Oh my god, what was that? Okay, I'm scared. That scared me. Okay, I'm going to switch on double jump as well. Okay, what the hell happened to you? I'm just gonna stop eating the burgers. You're getting too fat. Oh god, that is just ugly. Eat all the burgers, see what happens. Just keep on feeding him burgers. Come on.
Help, I'm too young to die.
Help, I'm too young to die. Oh, he's glitched. Well, that's the end of our fat burger friend. I wonder if I could just... Ooh. Oh god, what's going on? You dead? Then I... Scared. I'm just gonna walk away. Nothing happened here. Come, my brethren, you will be free. No? Okay then. Come on, let's go. Boom! Okay. You're just gonna... No. Oh, loot crate. That's nice. Awesome! Food. Oh, beer pug. Oh yeah. So if you don't know the zombie part is, there's two games in this. When you download this, there's two choices you have there. You can either play an MMO or a zombie game. And I'm playing a zombie game right now. So I've crafted the gun shop because you can craft guns like Dead Rising and stuff. Because basically Goat Simulator is it just takes joy in copying other games. Get to that. Oh, it's brain. That was tasty. It wasn't actually, because cannibalism. Oh, okay, it's not a zombie. Don't kill people who aren't zombies. I don't want to break my goons. I'm so. I believe I can. Oh, the relaxer. I'll come back to you in a second. I just want to use this. Do you know what? Screw you.
What are you up there?
What the hell? Oh, it's zombie now. So now I can kill him. Just oh, what happened? Get wrecked. What's going on over here? Can I just like
I didn't ask for this.
madness? What the hell? Oh, hello. Oh, I don't want to fall down that hole. Just go down there. Oh, this! Oh, that's bit late was nice. What the hell? Whoopsie daisy. Nothing happened, nothing bad happened. What do you want, mate? Just bam! Ah, you just ran in, I missed, but you just ran in. Well, his last words were pause. If I was gonna die, my last words wouldn't be pause. Who even says pods? What even is pods? Anyway, can I get in this? Can I just open the door and lick it? What? Ah, God, run, run, run! Ha! Got you now, cowboy. What down? Ah! Okay, my head butted it by mistake. Oh, hello, who are you? Follow me. Follow me, come on, come on. This, go down! This, Sparta! What'd you say? Well, I guess you did. What'd you say? Oh, it's up here. I've never been up here. Oh, bowls. Wait. Oh, it's an alien ship. Oh, burgers. Quickly, burgers. We will invade the universe. But goodness. Burger goodness. What's this? What? I don't get you. Bye bye. Wow, 6 minutes and all I've done is nothing. Okay, what happened? What is that? Was that water? I could not see that was water. It was completely impervious to that water. Can I feed people burgers, or is that just like a massive glitch? What happened? I'm on fire, I'm on fire. Help me, help. Hello? Hello? Are you alright? Oh, no you're not. No you're not. Bye. Bye. You're definitely not alright. Oh, hello? You look like Hitman or something. Go away. What's going on? I don't like that. Go away. Ha! Oh god, he's getting fat. Why is your thighs getting fat? Like nothing else. Scared. Oh god, what's going on? You keep on shrinking and turning big. Okay, let's just keep on telling. Uh-oh. Oh, he's just glitching out now.
The authorities will hear about this.
The authorities will hear about this. I don't think authorities listen to fat people like you. Whoa! No! Too much! Help! 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 This is crazy. Why is this guy hyped? Like, I know if you eat a lot of burgers you get fat, but not that fat. Snacks? We're not snacks. Oh! Well, you just ruined your day. Okay, I'm running. This booty's too big. This booty's too big. Oh, hello. Wow, you are literally the best zombies ever. Okay, you just come and kill me. Now come in here. Okay. Remember the 3 simple rules to be happy. Free your heart from fear and hatred. You assert your past. Embrace the present. Helium. No. I jumped over a wedding cake. Good. I really want. How am I back in business? Just blew them all. What's going on? I'm scared. I'm spooked. Literally, this game is so much fun. Like my friend James, was messaged me on one of my earlier videos. Oh, they're having a wedding. You don't know, but the guy is really likes cheeseburgers. You shouldn't go with him. You should go with me. I'm amazing. I'll marry you. Come on. Oh, there's a little mention. No, go away. I don't want to marry you, Anton. You just okay. You just backflip then. Just go over there, please. Bye bye. Anyway, you're gonna marry me? I declare goat and wife. Oh, bye bye. Hello again. Oh, bye bye. Hello again. Hello. What are you doing? No. No, eat burgers. Burgers will calm you. Okay, no. The booty. You need the big booty. Oh god, no, too big. What the hell happened? Oh, scary. Scary. Bye bye. I don't think you even need to swim. I think you just bubble around. Oh, the rain is above. This is nice. Best wedding ever. Oh, a loot crate. That was nice. What was that? I think I just got ammo. Oh, I got bleach now or forever. Hello. Haha! Just phone. Ah! I killed you. How did he die? This fellow. Oh, I'm gonna lick your brain. You. I don't believe in zombies. Well, what are you looking at? I am. Are you? Oh, hello. Okay. I guess it is flour. Oh! Get wrecked. Drop off a zombie with a stretcher. What?
I see dead goats.
I see dead goats.
Hello, goat.
Hello. I throw a bag of flour. Oh! Sorry. Oh, that killed her. Did you see me? I was like, pull. And he was like, bah! And I was like, woo! And then he was like, dead. Eat a food item. I have 1 minute to eat a food item, otherwise nothing will happen. Okay, I've got to do it, otherwise nothing will happen. Die, banana. Have a oh yes, people, I need to warn you. This video might be removed from YouTube because of what I'm going to say, but I need to tell you. Chickens are invading the world. You must hide. There's no chances left. If you don't like bananas, there's a chance you might be a chicken. If you don't like bananas, then you're probably not a chicken, but just saying, chickens are invading the world. Like, that's the reason this video might be taken off YouTube is because that chickens have taken over YouTube, and now YouTube has been run by chickens, and the chickens will find this video and remove it. Like, I found proof as well. This guy went into the chicken cave with loads of people being tied up by the chickens, and he didn't make it out alive, but he managed to pass his camera to his friend. But I saw that video an hour before it was taken off YouTube, when the chickens found the video. We're not safe. The chickens are coming. Wow, you walk so weird. Oh, apples! Apples! You know you want one. Okay, you're just gonna commit suicide or something. Oh, okay, bye. Bye then. Oh, can I buy this? And this? And this? Oh, no. Zombies call. Okay. You teleport? You teleport? Go away from me, teleporting zombie. I'm scared. I know you're paid. Oh, what? No. No. Go away. No, go away. What's this? Is this black? Hello. Window shopper. Window 2000. Window XP. Oh, Windows. Which one's the terrible one that crashes? There's like one window which has the blue screen which no one likes. What's the blue screen window? Is it the 329 for the blue screen? I thought there was a Windows like that had this blue screen. I like it. What? What? This is not I don't know. Oh, screw you, game. Screw you, mister. Screw you. I wasn't even funny because I was just talking about the blue screen when that happened. I was like, isn't there like a window? I'll push you off. Okay, that's really uncomfortable. Okay, I'm just gonna bye. Hello, is this like I thought it was a model. Espresso yourself. You're like a robot. Like you're a robot. Oh, sorry, bye. Okay, this video will be coming up to an end soon, but Who cares? I'll probably make another part. So this is episode 3. I'll get wrecked. Oh! I love this. Ooh. I fly. That's what I love about Goat Simulator. Like the physics are bad, but they're in a way they're great. Oh, what the hell? I'm scared. What was that? What was that? Die! Quickly die! Oh no, this is bad. By the way, if anyone does like this sort of crazy game, then I advise getting it. It's so fun. I really advise. World's largest chest. Oh gosh. Oh, what happened? Oh, hello. Can I sit on your? What's going on? Hello. What's happened? Oh, I'll get cake. Thank you. Yum. Away. What's plastic? Oh my god! It's Chihuahua! It's Chihuahua! Chihuahuas! Have Chihuahuas, my friend! Oh god, the frame rate is going to a hole. I need to get rid of this goat. I'm sorry, goat, but just there's no plastic goats. Just take burgers. You don't need Chihuahuas, just need burgers. Oh, the booty! Got the big booty! Someone could step in that. Oh, you died. Can I have a brain? Thank you. To be honest, I don't know how zombies actually have brains because I didn't know zombies had brains. What? I think apparently you can get like vehicles because one of the achievements was like make a vehicle, so that's cool. Oh, hello, who are you? You're dead. That's. Oh, did you just cough on me? Ugh, get your germs away from me. To be honest, I don't think zombie goats have to really care about germs. Ugh, stop that, you've grossed me out. You sneezed on me or something. What are you? Wait, you're spitting so I thought you were like sneezer. Well, like sneezed on me, which is like which they copied from Left 4 Dead. You probably did, to be honest, because it's spit. This is seriously, I like the original Goat Simulator, and when I got it, I had so much fun on it. But I didn't. After a week, it got a bit repetitive. But what the heck? I just literally just fell away. But I've noticed with this Goat Simulator, I seem to be having way more fun. You what, mate? Maybe it's because like, oh, I want to get that. Yes, who the king at Goat Simulator? I am, even though I've only got one. Yes, I seem to have a lot more fun with this. Mostly because like there's 2 more. You get 2 games for the price of the original Goat Simulator. So that's a good thing. So anyway, I'm gonna end up this video here. So I will do a new part and no! Oh, I saved him, but yet he walked into a fire and died. Okay, anyway, this is the end, so I'll do a new part, and excuse me, can you just go away? I'm trying to finish your video here. So anyway, I'll just, so I'll do a new part some other time, and yeah, eat him. Yeah, eat. Oh. Yeah, so I'll do a new part next some other time. Anyway, so see you guys in the next video.